So after an unplanned 0 day to hang out in Franklin with my friends Chica and Sunsets, which I had an awesome time at their hostel, definitely check that out if you're ever through Franklin. Sunsets brought me back up to Winding Stair Gap this morning, and I started back on the trail. So most of the morning it has been pretty nasty and soggy and rainy, hence all the GoPro footage. It's now like 1 o'clock. It finally stopped and the sky opened up. A little bit of sunshine, a little bit of blue skies. And got up here to the awesome Wyabald Tower, which is just such a cool place. As soon as I got there, the sun finally peeked out. Blue sky started and just awesome view. Got about 11 more miles left for the day, and hopefully the sun stays out and it stays nice and sunshiny and clear and not rainy again.
After getting some amazing views of the Smokies out in the distance, I decided to take my lunch at the base of the tower while reminiscing about my first visit in 2015. When I had finished eating my fair share of Cheetos, I turned on my phone to find a post from the Appalachian Trail Conservancy asking hikers to postpone their hikes due to the COVID-19 virus. Well, crap.
My name is Two Tenths.
2 tenths. Is this your first through hike?
Yes, it is.
How's it been going so far?
So far, it's been going good. The hiking's great. The people that you meet on the through hike, I think, are my favorite part. Everybody is incredibly nice and giving. I don't think I've gone a single day yet where I haven't had some kind of trail magic happen. I think that's probably the coolest part of the through hiking experience so far. It really sucks that the virus is kind of kicking people off the trail. The big thing is that we could possibly be carriers, so we want to respect the trail, obviously. So I believe most of us are getting off here at either the NOC or Fontana, just to kind of respect the trail and the communities that are surrounded by it.
So it is getting a little bit later, and I still got a little bit to go until I actually get to the shelter that I'm going to stop at tonight. The trail's really weird right now. There's this weird, strange, post-apocalyptic feeling out here. There's like no hikers out here. From what I understand, everybody's getting off the trail. Obviously, it's what you want, right? Like coming out to the AT and having the whole trail to yourself. It's amazing. But at the same time, I don't feel right about being out here. I feel like I shouldn't be out here. And then today the ATC, released a big thing telling people to postpone their hikes, get off the trail. So I have a pretty big decision to make tonight. It's going to be kind of a tough pill to swallow, but I think that I need to because I respect this trail. I just respect the trail too much. I respect the community too much. I respect other hikers too much to continue hiking and go against what I'm being asked not to do. So got about 2 miles till I get to camp, eat something, get my tent set up, sit down and actually get a chance to really think about things, kind of figure out what my plan is.
March 18th. My final day on the trail. I had made a call to my good friend Plug It In that lived close by to see if he could pick me up at the NOC. Unfortunately, this wasn't the first time in my hiking career that I had to make the hard decision of ending a journey early on the AT. But instead of dwelling on a suck that I didn't anticipate embracing, I decided to turn my brain off and enjoy the last few miles of the trail that I still had left. All the smells, sights, and sounds. There's the NOC. The NOC, another iconic milestone on the AT. Sadly, this year it would serve as the end of the line for a lot of first-time thru hikers. Even though I had made it to the end of my journey early, I knew that I would eventually be back again and that the trail would always be waiting for me.